Everyone, my name is John Lester Adlaw. This is my visual aids presentation. Visual aids are tools or materials that will help people understand and remember information by presenting it visually. They can be anything from picture, charts, and diagram to videos, model, and even real objects. Charts and graphs. These are excellent for presenting numerical data in a clear and concise manner. Different chart types cater to various data presentation. Bar charts compare categories. Pie charts show proportion, and line graphs illustrate trends over time. Multi-level donut chart. Angular gauge, don't plot. Pie chart, histogram, proportional area chart, waterfall chart, twist diagram, cycle diagram, population pyramid, box plot, three-dimensional stream graph, semicircle, donut chart, topographic map, radar diagram. Number 2, image. Photograph illustration and diagrams effectively communicate complex ideas or concepts visually. Image can make abstract information more concrete, improving comprehension and memorability. Study tips. Set study goals. There is lots of credible research suggesting that goal setting can be used as part of a strategy to help people successfully effect positive change in their lives. To never underestimate the power of identifying to yourself the things you want to achieve. Collaboration with study partners. At this stage of the school year, you should know your classmates pretty well. This is a good point in time to select a couple of study partners who you want your work will and motivate to achieve good grades. Test yourself. Sometimes simple centering an exam environment enough to make you forget some of the things you learn. The solution is the mentally prepare for the pressure of having to remember key facts, names, memorable formulas, and so on. Testing yourself with regular quizzes is a great way of doing this. Number 3, object and props. Using real objects or props directly related to your topic can create a powerful and memorable impact. This approach adds a digestible element, making the presentation more engaged, the easier to understand.